Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. We have to find out, is this up to par with Pots, Pans, and Priscilla Kitchen? So we're gonna go ahead, get this stuff out of the box. Make sure you click on that link down below because you're gonna get $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. So let's get cooking. All right, guys, so I have to say I'm super impressed with the packaging. It all came in that really cool box you saw. Then it had the ice packs in there, so you don't have to worry about it getting warm. So that's important, especially here in Florida. Then you have each meal is packaged in its own bag, and then you have the meats or whatever the main part of the dishes. They also come with these really cool recipe cards that have pictures on it, so that way you're not going to fail at this. Not everybody's a chef, and that's why I like that they really help you out so you can see what the picture's supposed to look like, the end result. That's the goal. So what I want you to do is, if you guys have used this before, comment down below and tell me, did you think it was easy? Because I think this is going to be super easy. 2 of my meals, I can tell you, are 30 minutes. One's 20 minutes. That's awesome. I'm a busy mom. I've got a boy who plays football. I've got a girl who has therapy. So we always want to eat at home and have good meals, and now we can, thanks to HelloFresh. So they also gave us a little free gift, which is a coupon and a bag of candy. Like, yes, you're speaking my language, HelloFresh. So today we are going to make the chicken sausage and spinach ricotta ravioli, which I'm super excited about. I did select the 4-person family meals, but they have different serving sizes for everybody. So make sure you go over to that website and check it out and let me know what you think. Let's go ahead and put everything else in the fridge and we will get today's meal going. All right, I am a believer. I really enjoyed cooking this HelloFresh meal. I told Asa one of the things I really like the most is that it gets me making something different. I would have never picked this recipe for my family, and they are going to love it. Like, I just tried some of the ground chicken, and it's so good. So I think that's fun if you are looking to expand your palate, even give you some more culinary skills. You don't have to be a chef to do this, and that's what I really like. So don't forget, if you want to get $80 off your first month of HelloFresh, go down in the description, click on that link, and go get you some HelloFresh for your family. You will not be disappointed. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. All right, you got to come eat this. Like, even with the tomatoes, you're going to like it. You can have that one. Look, I made myself a little side plate. I'm so excited.
Wow.
Right?
Mm-hmm. That's really good.
I've never cooked anything like that.
It tastes fancy.
You're so bougie. You're like dropping it all over the floor.
Sorry.
It's full of flavor.
Yeah, it's really good.
Right?
Yep.
And even with the tomatoes, it's not bad.
No.
I was stressing the tomatoes, I have to be honest.
I like it.
Good. Yay! So much seasoning. It's a lot of flavor. Flavor.